In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Google Wallet right after you've installed it. Let's dive right in to make sure you have a smooth setup experience. First, once you've completed the installation of Google Wallet on your device, go ahead and open the app. You'll notice a clean and intuitive interface that will guide you seamlessly through the next steps. As soon as the app launches, you'll be prompted to sign in using your preferred email address. This is crucial because your Google Wallet is linked to your Google account, which helps manage your payments and related activities. You have the flexibility to choose from any of the existing email accounts already associated with your device. Simply select the one you'd prefer to use with the wallet and proceed with it. Once you've done that, you've essentially created your Google Wallet account. It's that simple. Now let's say you've had a change of plan and want to use a different account. Not to worry, switching accounts is a straightforward process. To do this, you'll need to head over to your profile, which is conveniently located at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon, often represented by your picture or the initial of your name. Just tap on it. Upon clicking your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll find the option labeled Switch Account. Selecting this option allows you to choose a different email account that you want the app to be associated with. This feature is particularly useful if you have multiple Google accounts and want to manage your finances or transactions under the correct one. It's all about keeping things organized and ensuring that your wallet is serving the account that best suits your needs at any given time. Remember, the goal of setting up Google Wallet is to make managing your spending easier and more efficient, so feel free to explore other features and personalize the app as you see fit. You can update payment methods, review transaction history, and more, all from the convenience of your mobile device. So, there you have it, a quick walkthrough on getting started with Google Wallet and managing your account settings. I hope this guide helps you navigate the initial setup with ease and feel confident in customizing your wallet to suit your preferences. Thanks for tuning in, and happy spending.